Canada plays a key role in SARSAT, an international search and rescue satellite-aided tracking system. Since the early 80s, Canada, the United States, and France have operated SARSAT in cooperation with Russia's COSPAS system. Compatibility between SARSAT and COSPAS allows participating countries to use both systems for distress alerts. When a plane crashes or a ship is in danger, the greatest challenge facing search and rescue crews is to locate the accident. Our country's vast and sparsely populated territory, varied geography, and inhospitable climate have made it difficult and costly to locate missing aircraft and ships quickly. When an accident, such as a plane crash, occurs, the craft's emergency locator transmitter, or ELT, is set off automatically, providing it is not damaged as a result of the crash. The signals received by the satellite are retransmitted to a ground station. Computer analysis of the satellite's position relative to the accident scene occurs at the ground station, where the location of the emergency is calculated to within as little as 2 to 5 kilometers. In Canada, the ground station sends the information on the accident location to the Mission Control Centre at Trenton, Ontario, which in turn alerts the Canadian Forces Joint Rescue Coordination Centre nearest the crash site. Search and rescue aircraft or vessels of national defense, the Canadian Coast Guard, or other SAR organizations are dispatched by the Rescue Coordination Centre as soon as the distress is validated. In Canada, the Department of National Defence sponsors and manages SARSAT and is responsible, in cooperation with the Canadian Coast Guard, for search and rescue activities. Industry Canada's Communications Research Centre participated in the design of the SARSAT system. As well, Canadian high-tech companies have been major suppliers to the SARSAT program since its inception. Keeping the system current is now the responsibility of the Department of National Defence. In its first 20 years of operations, the COSPAS SARSAT system has been directly responsible for saving more than 14,000 lives worldwide. An estimated 10% of these were in Canada. The Department of National Defence is proud of its role in making Canada an important and integral part of this international venture to save lives.